In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page break in Microsoft Word. A page break is a clean, professional way to start content on a new page without mashing the Enter key. It tells Word exactly where the next page should begin, which keeps your headings, sections, and images in the right place, even after you edit earlier parts of the document. Whether you're organizing a report, building a resume, or separating chapters, this is a small skill that makes a big difference. Let's start with the method you'll find right on the ribbon. First, click once to place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to start. Cursor placement matters. Word will create the new page immediately after that point. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. In the Pages group, click Page Break. The moment you select it, Word inserts a page break and starts a fresh page right after your cursor. You'll see the next content begin at the top of the new page. This approach is great if you prefer using the mouse and like to see where features live in the interface. It's also helpful when you're already on the Insert tab, adding other elements, like headers or page numbers. If you prefer a faster option, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut. Again, place your cursor where the break should occur. On Windows, press Ctrl and Enter together. On a Mac, press Command and Enter. Word will instantly insert a page break at that exact position and push the following content onto a new page. This shortcut is especially handy when you're drafting and want to keep momentum without moving your hands away from the keyboard. It works consistently in most modern versions of Word. A quick tip to wrap up: use page breaks instead of pressing. Enter repeatedly to reach the next page. Manually adding blank lines looks fine at first, but as soon as you edit text above, everything shifts and your careful spacing breaks. Page breaks lock in the structure, so your formatting stays stable no matter how much you revise. If you insert a break in the wrong spot, don't worry, you can immediately undo it. With these two methods, you'll keep your documents clean, predictable, and easy to navigate. Try both and use the one that fits your workflow best.